Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, you know that crafting compelling content can be a real challenge. From writing engaging scripts to bringing characters to life, it requires a unique blend of creativity and innovation. And that's where Dupdub.com comes into play. It's a comprehensive AI-powered platform that offers a bunch of tools designed to simplify your content creation journey. Dupdub.com takes things up a notch with its incredible talking avatar feature. Imagine how time-consuming and expensive it can be to hire actors or create animated characters for your videos. Well, those days are over. The talking avatar feature allows you to create lifelike avatars that can deliver your script with remarkable realism. Here's a funny one of Einstein talking about human stupidity and the infinite universe.
Two things are infinite, the universe and human stupidity. The universe is really, really big. It goes on and we can't even imagine how big it is. It's always expanding and there's no end to it. Human stupidity is like that too. But in a different way. Stupidity seems to have no limits. People can do really dumb things, over and over again. It's like there's no end to it. I'm not sure which one is bigger, the universe or human stupidity, but they both seem to go on forever.
So this is really cool, and the results are great. I've tried out a bunch of AI avatar tools and text-to-speech softwares. To be honest, this is a really good and stable solution. You can even upload your own avatar and make it talk. Now Dupdub offers a bunch of other tools that makes content creation really easy. I created an entire comparison video of Messi and Ronaldo using this tool. I got to mention that I created the script, the subtitles, the music, transitions, and narrator speech with Dupdub. So here is a sped up version of the process. To summarize it, I asked Dupdub to write an entire video script for a video where we compare Messi and Ronaldo. To be honest, there is only one GOAT, and if you know who I am thinking about, make sure to write it in the comments down below. Anyway, after the script was done, I asked it to only keep the narrator's speech. Now the reason I did that is because I will create a narrator voice and make it read up our script for the video. I will just delete the first response and replace it with the part where the narrator speaks. So for this part we get a ton of voices that we can choose from. You can choose the voice of a man or a woman, change the rhythm, pace, and even add pauses. Besides that, you have the option to change the reading voice to different moods or emotions, like angry, excited, happy, etc. Now that we have our script and narrator,
in the world of football, two names stand above all others, Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo.
Let's edit the video, which you guessed it, can be done inside Dupdub. What's even funnier is that I even created and aligned the subtitle of the video inside of Dupdub. Here is a sped up version of how I edited the entire video, added transitions and effects. If you're creative, you can do a lot of things with these tools. Besides that, I must say that editing on their website was really smooth, and I was expecting it to not work properly, but it did. So I basically tried to add different images that in some way might relate to what the narrator is speaking about. Another thing that I want to point out about editing videos, if you make an image zoom in or out slowly, it will be more interesting and builds a suspense compared to a still image. You will notice that in the video at the end, when I stop zooming in the images, you will feel the content switching from what might be considered an entertaining video to a presentation. This entire video editing sequence took me approximately 15 minutes using Dupdub's video editor and some images from Google. This is something that you can use yourself and it's totally free. So without further ado, let's see what we got by combining the tools from Dupdub. Script generator, narrator, text-to-speech, caption creation and alignment, and last but not least the video editor to bring it all together.
In the world of football, two names stand above all others, Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo. These two superstars have redefined the game and have amassed countless accolades. But today, we delve into the age-old debate, Messi versus Ronaldo, and make a compelling case as to why Messi is the better player. When comparing the statistics of these two legends, it's evident that both have enjoyed immense success. However, it's the way Messi achieves his numbers that sets him apart. Lionel Messi's style of play is often described as pure poetry in motion. His exceptional dribbling skills, close control, and lightning-fast acceleration make him almost impossible to stop. Messi's ability to effortlessly glide past defenders is unmatched, leaving them in his wake. On the other hand, Cristiano Ronaldo's physicality and power are his greatest assets. His remarkable athleticism and aerial ability have allowed him to dominate in the air and score stunning goals. Ronaldo's incredible work ethic and dedication to fitness have made him a force to be reckoned with. Messi's impact on the game goes beyond his individual brilliance. His vision and playmaking abilities are unparalleled. He consistently creates scoring opportunities for his teammates, making them better players. Messi's football IQ is off the charts. His understanding of the game and his ability to read the play make him a true maestro on the field. He effortlessly finds pockets of space and exploits them to devastating effect. Ronaldo's goal-scoring record speaks for itself. He's a true goal machine, with an incredible ability to find the back of the net from any position. His hunger for success and his relentless pursuit of perfection make him a true leader. Ronaldo's presence on the field is intimidating. His determination and never-say-die attitude inspire his teammates and instill fear in his opponents. He has proven time and again that he can deliver when it matters most. When it comes to individual awards, Lionel Messi has an astonishing collection. He has won the prestigious Ballon d'Or a record-breaking number of times, cementing his status as one of the greatest players of all time. Cristiano Ronaldo is not far behind, boasting an impressive array of individual honors as well. His relentless pursuit of excellence has earned him numerous accolades and the admiration of fans worldwide. In the end, the Messi versus Ronaldo debate will continue to divide fans, but it's clear that Lionel Messi's exceptional skill, playmaking abilities, unmatched football IQ, and numerous accolades make him the better player. Whether you're a Messi fan or a Ronaldo supporter, there's no denying the impact these two legends have had on the beautiful game. But when all is said and done, Lionel Messi's artistic brilliance and unparalleled influence on the game make him the true maestro of modern football. The debate may continue, but one thing is certain: Lionel Messi's legacy will forever be etched in football history.
Subscribe, bye.